Why didn't they go the NBA bubble route? Why aren't they all at Disney World?
Well, that's because they had the chance to look at what the NBA did with the bubble, what Major League Baseball did with quarantine protocols, and the NFL decided to go with orgies.
Oh, wow, that's like the United States compared to everybody else in the world with the coronavirus.
Yeah, the NFL is the U.S. of sports. You're absolutely right.
I'll tell you right now, I'm a Detroit Lions fan, so I can wait a year. I'm okay with it.
I think that's a sports joke I get. I think they must be doing badly.
Yes.
It's a disaster all around. The 49ers can't play because in California they're not allowed to, I think the San Francisco has a rule. So they have to go to Arizona to play. Pretty much, they're just looking for a playground that'll let them play. The swing set's out of bounds. They keep playing because the quarterback's mom says it's time for dinner. I mean, that's where we're at this point.
But here's a really important question. What will happen to all the Super Bowl commercials if there is no football, right?
That is probably the most important question. Because I got to see what Coca-Cola's going to do with those polar bears this season.
Did you see the Denver game so the Denver Broncos, you guys, they ran out of quarterbacks. I don't know if you heard about this. So all three of the quarterbacks of the Broncos, they were exposed to the virus. This is what happens when your team shares one mouth guard. But the thing is, they had to call up a wide receiver to play quarterback, and it wasn't just any wide receiver. It was their practice squad wide receiver. This is all true. And the guy was just terrible. He completed one pass, and it turns out the coronavirus is the easiest thing to catch from a Denver Broncos quarterback.
Oh, man.
All right, Adele, let's go to your last quote.
It was bleak Friday.
That was a retail consultant talking about disappointing sales on what big day this year?
Oh, I'm going to go with Black Friday.
You are right, Adele. You've been paying attention. The holiday shopping season has begun with the same success of Joe Biden playing with his dog. Maybe the reason Black Friday failed, though, is it's been 9 months of Black Friday. We have been buying everything every day since the lockdown started. The Amazon guy won't stop showing up at my door. And you know, it was really annoying to hear all the MAGA people who insisted that it's not Black Friday, it's All Friday.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, all Fridays do matter, though.
And it's not just Black Friday anymore. Now there's Small Business Saturday, Cyber Monday, Giving Tuesday, Lie About Giving Wednesday.
Sure.
And is it still safe to eat last week's turkey Thursday?
The answer is no.
Well, listen, I thank God for all these theme days because it's the first week in months that I've actually known what day it is. Did you guys do any of the days? Did you celebrate any of the days?
I just want to say I did just join Weight Watchers. So that should tell you a little bit about what the last week has been.
Oh, so you're doing Weight Watchers Wednesdays.
I'm doing Weight Watchers Wednesdays. Oh, I'm sorry, now it's called WW.
Oh, got it.
Well, Jesse, we only saw you from the torso up on Zoom, and you look smashing.
Thanks. That's my thinnest part. My head is my thinnest part. And then
Your head looks really gaunt.
It's like a garbage bag filled with whipped lemons.
Bill, how did Adele do?
She did very well. We're going to declare her a winner.
Thank you, Adele.
Awesome.
Bye.
It's Friday, gotta get down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend. Friday, getting down on Friday.
Right now, panel, time for you to answer some questions about this week's news. Faith, this year has been tough on the scented candle industry. They're getting bad reviews from people all over America with what common complaint?
What common complaint? I don't smell anything because people have COVID?
You are on it, yes!
That's so
That's
sad.
tragic. Yeah, that's tragic.
I have to tell you, the only way I can I can't go into Bed Bath & Beyond because it gives me a headache with all their scented candles. So if I get COVID, God forbid, I will at least be able to shop there.
One upside.
Only in America do we have a government that goes, we don't have enough